All right, this is the last box before we go outside in the 100-degree weather to open up the final two boxes because those are way too big to fit here in the YouTube studio. So we got some stuff from ATUMTEK. ATUMTEK? ATUMTEK. Oh, looks like we got some Bluetooth selfie sticks. Very, very interesting. They look like mini lightsabers, actually. How does this thing work? Oh, very fancy. It's a freaking selfie stick with a built-in tripod. What? That is freaking cool. So I'm guessing they have 3 different sizes. That one looks like the more compact size. Oh, this one has a weird shape to it. Is it just, maybe it's just me. I think my wife would really like this one. For taking pictures, obviously. Oh, so you press the button, it opens up. Oh, this is so freaking cool, dude. And then this part extends. That is long. That is freaking long. It's a nice beating stick as well, like for self-defense. Pa, 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 pa. Don't tell me I freaking made a hole. Oh, thank God, okay. Now here's a color I approve. Did not know you guys made a white one. So hit this button, the tripod opens up, and then you extend the headpiece. It's actually built really well. Like I've held a few selfie sticks in my lifetime, and most of those are super cheap, like made out of plastic, but this one feels like it's made out of premium materials. It feels like it's aluminum, actually. Yeah, this entire thing is aluminum. Oh, this is so cool, dude. And then if you want to retract it, you just basically, push it back inside, just like that. Very nice. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Very compact, super easy to open and close. It's also portable. I mean, you know, based on the size it extends to, it's actually fairly portable. I feel like this one will be most popular though. It's way more compact in size. Yeah, this one, look at the size difference. The small one and the mid-range. And then this one is the biggest one. Push it inside, and the tripod kind of just collapses on itself and snaps in. Yeah, you can definitely tell the size difference. I wonder if this one vibrates. Asking for a friend. So the longest one is actually 60 inches, and it's suitable for long distance travel and professional photography. And then we have the mid-range 51 inch for casual use, and the 31.3 inch, which is the most compact. The head can be rotated 360 degrees and 180 degrees from left to right, which allows you to find the best angle. But the best feature, hands down, is the Bluetooth remote shutter, which is really cool if you're a solo traveler or if you don't have anyone around to take pictures or video. So let's try the Bluetooth mode. I'm gonna try and sync this up with my phone and see if we can take a picture wirelessly. That'll be pretty cool. Here it is. ATUMTEK pops up, very nice. Hit pair. Connected. Wow. Oh, oh man, this can be quite dangerous. All right, here we go. Can we remove the switch? Oh, we can. It's wireless. Look, you guys. I mean, it has to be wireless, right? Otherwise, it kind of defeats the purpose. So here we go. Oh my God, dude. It's literally instant, you guys. It's actually instant. Take a look. 1, 2, 3. Look at that, instant. Oh, that's awesome. This is actually freaking awesome. I'm impressed with the speed of this. And then you just put this back in when you're done. That's freaking cool, dude. When my wife and I are always traveling, it's kind of awkward asking random strangers to take pictures of us. So I feel like now if we travel with one of these sticks, we can put our phone on it and use the Bluetooth switch to take our own pictures. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if we're gonna travel with this one. It's a bit massive. I feel like the compact one is perfect, or even like the mid-range one is perfect for our use. Thank you so much, ATUMTEK, for sending these over. I cannot wait to have fun with them tonight, taking pictures and video, of course. There is a 15% discount code just for my subscribers. If you guys wanna pick one of these up, I'll drop a link to it down below. Thanks again.